Hello, everyone. Do you know what you need to check the various parts of the freeze dryer before starting the machine? Let Castle give you a detailed introduction today. 1. Check the oil level of the compressor. Check through the compressor sight glass to see if the oil level is at 1/2 or 2/3 of the sight glass. 2. Check the refrigerant sealing of the refrigeration system by checking the pressure gauge to determine whether the refrigerant of the lyophilizer is leaking. If the pressure gauge is above 8 to 10 kilograms, it means that the sealing of the refrigerant is good and there is no leakage point. If the pressure gauge is lower than 8 kilograms, it means that the refrigerant may leak and needs to be checked in time. 3. Check the oil level change of the vacuum pump and the color of the oil. Check the oil level change and the color of the oil by checking the oil level indication of the vacuum pump. If the oil level becomes less, it is necessary to replenish the oil in time. If the oil level becomes more, it means that a large amount of water has been brought into the vacuum pumping. At this time, you need to open the air vibration switch of the vacuum pump and run it for a long time to exclude the water in the pump. In addition, you need to check whether the color of the oil is clear and transparent. If the color of the oil becomes turbid, you need to change the oil. 4. Check the cooling water of the vacuum pump. Check whether the ball valve is open and whether the water pipe in the connection pipeline is open to confirm whether the whole water flow is smooth to ensure that there is cooling water supply in the vacuum pump. 5. Check the cooling water supply of the condenser. Check whether the ball valve is open to ensure the supply of cooling water to the condenser and the heat exchange of the condenser. Otherwise, the temperature of the condenser will be too high. The control cabinet will carry out high temperature alarms, affecting the production. 6. Check the oil level of the vacuum pump oil. Check whether the oil level of the vacuum pump oil is suitable and whether the color of the oil is clear through the measuring tape of the vacuum pump. 7. Check the air intake of compressed air by checking the pressure gauge to check whether the compressed air intake 8. Check the oil level of the balance cylinder. Check whether the oil level is located in 1/3. If the oil level is lower than 1/3, then appropriate oil replenishment.